first look of Redmi K30 Pro. Hey guys, so, the new Redmi flagship will be launched in China on March 24th, as confirmed by a Weibo post. A separate teaser posted by Redmi's president Lu Weibing confirms that the handset will sport the new Snapdragon 865 chipset. This has been speculated for a while now, and also confirms the fact that the smartphone will offer 5G connectivity as well. An image of the upcoming smartphone has also been revealed, showing us the back of the device. By the looks of it, the smartphone will share similar looks as the OnePlus 7T, having a round camera module, but with 4 camera lenses. If you look close enough, you can also see that the handset comes with a pop-up camera, apart from the 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. This means that the Redmi K30 Pro might retain the full display that was seen on the Redmi K20 series. The poster spotted on Weibo reveals the launch date for the Redmi K30 Pro as March 24th. Further, the post suggests that the Redmi K30 Pro will come with LPDDR5 RAM, which is the latest version, as well as UFS 3.1 storage standard, again the latest and the fastest available. The race car theme of the poster suggests the smartphone will be fast and powerful, which is expected from a device powered by the flagship Snapdragon 865 chipset. The smartphone will go official in China before heading to other markets. There have been a few teasers and reports in the past that claim that the Redmi K30 Pro specifications will include a 4700 mAh battery, a notchless AMOLED display, a pop-up selfie camera and 33-watt fast charging support. Recently, tipster Ashan Agarwal tweeted that the Redmi K30 Pro could be one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest smartphone with the Snapdragon 865 SoC. He added that the company will largely be focusing on launching the Redmi K30 Pro at an affordable price, so one should not expect major developments in areas like the cameras. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the Redmi K30 Pro. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.